everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. It is a trunk club. This is a big box of clothes sent to me from Nordstrom's. I have a stylist at Nordstrom's. Her name is McCall. She puts together styles that she thinks I might enjoy. She also gives me styling tips and she'll put outfits together, and that's what this box is. It is a fall box, so let's see if I like them, if you like them. If you want more information about Trunk Club, I've left everything that you need to know in the description box below. If you use my referral link, you will get hooked up with my stylist. Her name is McCall. So if you like the items that McCall is sending me, I'm sure she'll do just as well for you. So feel free to use that link. If you do, I do get a little credit. Thank you to everyone that uses my links. You guys are awesome. I've also left links for every single piece that I received today, just in case you want to check out a piece. There's really some fabulous pieces in this box. Because there's so many pieces in this box, I do a try on and tell you how I feel about them at the same time, just to be respectful of your time. Otherwise, this video would take forever. My stylist did send me some fabulous pieces, so if you want to see what I received and help me decide what to keep, then stick around. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. I make videos all about women's clothing. Yeah, I'm kind of addicted to women's clothing, to shopping, and to clothes. So if you are too, you're in the right place. Stick around. Let's see what my stylist sent. The first thing that I tried on are the super high rag and bone. These are called the Jane. They sit at your waist. These sit high on my waist. Slim fit through hip and thigh and skinny legs. These are rag and bone, super high waisted. They are $225. And I've tried rag and bone actually several times in the past, and they never worked for me because they are a slim fit through the hips and thighs, and they don't have much stretch. So when I saw these, I was kind of sad because I hate to try on a pair of pants or actually any garment that doesn't fit well, but that's what this channel is about, just clothes and how they fit on me. So I put these on and they fit. Oh, I am so happy that these fit. And these, let me show you, these have a little stretch in them, which is very nice. They do have an interesting hemline. It's just a raw hem, so that will fray. It is not reinforced, so that will fray with washing. I like that. I like an interesting hemline, and these are plenty long, which I really do appreciate. If I'm going to purchase a pair of expensive denim, I do want them long because I can roll them up if I want to wear them with ankle booties, but I also like that longer length so that I can wear them with heels. I like these so much. They're $225. I have no need for another pair of black pants, but I did wear these for a big portion of the try-on, and I sure do like them. They are classic 5-pocket styling, very, very high waist. And my stylist did send me some shorter length tops, and this high waist, they are perfect with short. I'm not into crop tops, but with the shorter tops. Let me share them with you. The first of the shorter tops is this cute little number by the brand Dolan. This is called the Carbon Dot Floral Top. I think this is so lovely. It does have a keyhole back, and you can see it has a ruffle around the neckline. It's a pretty high neckline. It has an awesome sleeve, a shorter sleeve. This is navy, and it's got some like brick red and white, little bit of blue. I think this is a beautiful top. It does have a cinched waistline and a peplum on it. And I'm a busty woman, so I think that this cinched waistline doesn't work very well for me. I feel like the elastic is just too close to my chest. I love this top, but I think I dodged a bullet. This top is $138. I do think it worked really well with the rag and bone denim, but I still think it's a little bit too short for me. What do you think about this one? Isn't she lovely? Oh, I like this one. Next up is a bubble sleeve sweater by Madewell, and this is kind of a heathered green ribbed sweater. It is like a turtleneck. I wasn't crazy about the fit on this. And it's also a shorter length. This one is only $55. It does have some slits in the side. It's a shorter, it's short on me. And I felt like it's too short. It does work with the really super high-waisted denim. And I love the sleeves. I think the sleeves are fabulous. That's my favorite thing about it. I need more length. I think I'm more comfortable with a longer sweater. I do really, really appreciate this heathered green look for the fall and even into the winter time. But I'm afraid that the length on this one just doesn't work for me. The next top that I tried is by Nick and Zoe. This is called the Prance top. And it's got some interesting sleeves, almost like a dolman. Really pretty color. Really beautiful color. They call this port. It's a split neck, and it does have snaps, actual snaps down the front of it, and they're really hard to get in and out of. But that's what this looks like. It does have some slits on the side, bit of a rounded hemline. You're never going to believe the price on this one. I don't know. The price surprised me. This is $128. It's 100% polyester. There was a lot of static cling in it. That's not the blouse. It's probably my home is very dry right now. I don't know. For $128, I think I could buy two similar tops. So I'm going to send this back because I think it's just a little bit expensive and it really didn't rock my boat. Next up is a sweater. I did change the color of the sweater because with Trunk Club you do get a preview and you can fool around with that a little bit. You can change the color or maybe even the size, but I think she wanted to send this to me in black. Black is not my thing. So red is definitely my thing. This is halogen and this is the Atlantic Pacific sweater. And there's actually a line, I think, of that. And this is an elbow length sweater. And it does have a stitched cuff on it and a nice neckline. I like the neckline on this. This is, I mean, it's a pretty basic sweater, except that it's a shorter sleeve sweater. This is a nylon blend, nylon and wool. It is super itchy. It's super itchy. And I could wear a camisole underneath, which would help, but I don't want to. So this is only $59. I think the price is right. It was uncomfortable because of the wool. I have a hard time with wool. I like it. It's a beautiful fabric. It's just difficult for me to wear. So even though I really like this, and I think it was really cute with the slacks that she sent to pair with it, yeah, this one's going back simply because of the wool. Price is good. Style is good. Fabric content, not for me. And these are the slacks that she sent to pair with the red sweater. These are also by Halogen, and they are the Atlantic Pacific collection. And aren't they adorable with all that button detail? They do have slash pockets, not my favorite. They do zip up the side, and these are short. These are a kick flare pant, and they're also in this really cool plaid. I like it. I have no need for it. I don't know where I would wear these. And these were also too tight. Around the hips and thighs, these were too tight. There was pulling right through here. So I like this a lot. If I had a job where I could wear these, I would definitely size up and purchase these. I think they're just as cute as can be. They're $99. So that's a decent price, I guess. I just don't need them, so I'm going to send these back. This entire outfit, I like where she was going with it. It just didn't quite work for me. The next piece is also by Halogen from the Atlantic Pacific collection. And this is, again, a turtleneck, and this is, unfortunately, in the same fabric. This is nylon and wool. It's super itchy, and it's so adorable. It's got the gold button detail on either side. I'm sorry, that's washing me out. But it's so cute. I love this sweater. The sleeves are a long 3/4 length sleeve. There is ribbing, thick ribbing, I guess that's what I would call it, throughout the entire sweater. I love the silhouette of this sweater. The turtleneck I like. It's well done. It is not super tight. Kind of the Madewell one was kind of tight. I could feel it around my neck. This one's perfect. This one's black, and there were no other color options because I always try to switch the black into something else. This one came in the cellophane with lint on it, and that's one of the reasons I don't like black, because it is a lint collector, and this came like that. I know it would collect more lint. I think this is gorgeous. I would love to get this in white or red or blue or any other color. $79 for this one. If you like wool blends, I strongly suggest that you try this Atlantic Pacific collection because they have some really cute sweaters. I can't do the wool. Okay, I need some help with this one. This is what it looks like. Can you see that pink tag there? That's Vince Camuto. Okay, this one is the twist neck keyhole. There's a keyhole there. Long sleeve, gray top by Vince Camuto. It is $79. It does have a zip in the back. And actually, I could not get it zipped all the way up. It kind of gets stuck right there where the neck is. I don't like to force it because, oh, look, it just went. Okay, I don't want to force any zippers because I don't want to break a zipper. This feels like athletic wear to me. It's super stretchy, very long sleeves. I don't know. I just think this was an odd top. I'm not sure how I would wear this top. It's $79. I would never wear this to the gym. But that's what it feels like. It actually feels like activewear. One of the things I really like about this top, it is plenty long. You could tuck it in and it would never come out. So this might be a really nice layering piece. I love Vince Camuto. He's one of my favorite designers. I just really didn't know what to make of this top. What do you think about this one? Vince Camuto, $79. I don't know. This one is why I love Vince Camuto. Look at this top. Oh, look at it. It's so gorgeous. This one is the chiffon, look at that, chiffon sleeved sparkle jersey blouse. Vince Camuto, $79. Really tasteful keyhole in the front, high neckline, big blouson, bubble, balloon, sheer sleeves with an elastic on it. Plenty long enough in length. This one is so beautiful. This one would be perfect for the holidays. This one will pair with denim. It would pair with a pencil skirt. So much. I love this top. It's only $79. This one makes sense to me. What do you think about this one? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it. The last pair of slacks she sent are from Vince Camuto, and I saw these and I thought, I don't need slacks. I don't. I mean, and then I tried them on and I said, I need you, baby. I need you. These are wonderful. These are a window pane plaid. The pockets in the front, you can see there is a seam there, but these are a faux pocket. Yes, perfect for a curvy girl because I don't need that extra bulk of the pocket. The pockets in the back are real. They are stitched, but you do have some pockets in the back. There are no belt loops. So it's a flat front and really nicely done. And look at the colors, a dark charcoal and then black and some cream through there. They are a straight leg, just so nicely done. $89. They feel amazing on. This is what happened the last time she sent Vince Camuto slacks. I added them to my wardrobe because they're fabulous. For me, they feel very, very comfortable, and I feel very put together in these slacks as well. So I think they're going to be very fun to wear this fall and through the Christmas holidays. What do you think about these? I kind of like them. I'm surprised. That's one of the fun things about these style boxes. You try things on that you never would pick for yourself in store, and they work, and you buy them, and you feel really pretty. The last piece of clothing in my trunk is a moto jacket, and I don't know why my stylist is trying so hard to get me into a moto jacket. I own moto jackets. It's not my favorite look. I think I prefer a longer jacket, just like my tops. I like a longer style. This one is by Blank NYC. It is $98. It's really a beautiful color. It's a cream color, almost a taupe color. This is a faux zip detail here. It does unzip, but there's no pocket. It does have 2 pockets here. Let's see, I can't remember if it's lined or not. I do prefer it much better. Yeah, it's lined, beautifully lined at that. And I do prefer the look of the open jacket. This one is collarless and it's lovely. I'm still not convinced I need more moto jackets because I don't wear the ones that I already own. So if you're looking for a moto jacket, this is a really nice one and I'm sending it back, so it will be available next week. So that's everything in my trunk club, and I think this trunk is pretty good. I think it's a successful box anytime I'm able to add a piece to my wardrobe, and this time I will be adding more than one piece. This gorgeous Vince Camuto top has my name written all over it, so I think I need this one. Do you guys like this one? Isn't it great? Also, these Vince Camuto window pane plaid slacks, I really like these, and I think they're the perfect fall slacks. I'm going to add these to my wardrobe as well. This is where I need your help. The rag & bone denim. I have a problem with denim. I have way too much, and I love premium denim. I love affordable denim as well, but I have had no luck with rag & bone until today. These black denim with stretch in them, the Jane denim, the super high. Oh, I really, really want these. $225. Do you have these? If you have the Jane rag & bone denim, please let me know your experience with them. With Trunk Club, I have 5 days to decide what I want to keep and what I want to return. Someone once asked me if I take all the items that I'm returning and wrap them in plastic when I send them back, and the answer is yes. Yes, I do. I don't think you have to. That's not in the instructions, but I do that. I always want to return anything that someone lends to me in the same condition that they gave it to me. So that's my answer there. I don't know. I don't want to wrap these back up in cellophane. Let me know what you think about that. Oh, gosh. Do I need more denim? I don't know. Thank you so much for sticking around to the very end. These trunk clubs can get a little bit long, but I am really glad that you stayed and watched everything that I got from this trunk club. Can I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? It really helps me out. So thank you very much for all of your support. I have more boxes to share with you. I am doing my best. Life has been crazy, and I am doing my best to get those filmed. Thank you so much, though, for all of your support. If you haven't subscribed, now's the time. Be sure to subscribe before this video ends because I want to see you again. Blessings to all of you.